Hey everybody, I'm Ashton,
I'm Sequoia.
and we're here with Happy Home Yoga. And today we're going to learn 4 postures inspired by nature all around us. We live up here in the Sierra Nevadas, which means we got lots of forests, mountains, trees, animals. So we're going to do a few postures today from our neck of the woods. We're going to start off with a pose called mountain pose. Now, if you've seen your parents doing yoga before, or if you've done yoga before yourself, mountain pose is usually really narrow and stiff. So today we're going to do wide mountain pose. So make sure you got some space around you to move. And then take your feet out nice and wide. And then bring your arms by your sides. And as you root down, get really heavy like a mountain through your feet. You can get really tall out the top of your head. We want to do 3 breaths here. Steady and stern like a mountain. Ready? Inhale through your nose. And exhale out your nose or your mouth. 2 more. One more breath. I feel pretty grounded like a mountain. How about you, Sequoia? All right, so up here in our Sierra Nevada mountains, there's lots of trees. So Sequoia is going to lead us through tree pose.
So we're going to put our feet close together and we're going to put our arms up and straight, and our body's going to be all straight up towards the sky. And then we're going to lift this foot up. And maybe you can't go super high, so you can just start here and then inch in and go up until you're stable.
Oh my goodness, what kind of tree are you?
I'm a sequoia.
You're a sequoia tree. I'm gonna be a pine tree. Get a little puffy and fluffy here. Woo! It's been a little windy the last few days though. Can we do windy tree? Ooh. What about the other side? Can we do another tree on the other side? All right, walk us through it.
So we're gonna put our arms up, sturdy and strong, and then we're gonna lift our foot up.
Ooh, now comes the other leg. Ooh. Pine tree again. Can I be like a palm tree? Can I think of warm summer days?
Willow.
Willow tree, nice. Okay, next, we've got another pose that Sequoia is going to share with us. What pose is that, Sequoia?
Hungry bear pose.
Hungry bear pose. All right, how are we doing that
We're
one?
gonna put our feet out wide, just like mountain pose, but we're gonna bend our knees, and then we're gonna put our arms up like a hungry bear and growl like a hungry bear.
Do bears growl when they're hungry?
Oh, definitely.
Oh, definitely. Okay. Can you sink down a little deeper? I like it. I like it. Okay. We got another pose we're going to do. We got lots of rivers up around here. What likes to swim in rivers?
Fish.
Fish. Let's come on to our bellies. Oh, yeah. Okay. So for fish pose, you're going to lay on your belly, bring your arms by your sides. Now I want you to gently hug your belly in. It's going to help to support your low back. It's like you're trying to lift your belly button away from the floor. And then inhale, lift your chest up, lift your head up, pick your feet up away from the floor. Then what do fish do?
Swim.
They swim. They swim side to side. So swim, swim, swim. How fast can you swim? Oh my gosh. Okay, we're swimming fast. We're going upstream. I might be knocking over stuff behind me. I don't know. It's okay because I'm swimming fast because I'm a fish. Swim, swim, swim. Can we swim for 5 more seconds? Woo! Lift up a little higher. Swim. Swim, Sequoia. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. That's a good rest. Can fish rest? Can they take naps?
When they're going upstream and then get to a calm pool.
Oh, resting in the calm pool pose. I like it. All right, well, we had one more idea. Sequoia, what kind of fish are you?
I'm a rainbow catfish.
A rainbow cat. Are there really rainbow catfish? There is one right now. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, Sequoia is a fish swimming upstream. But what I am is a hungry bear pose. You better swim faster. I'm gonna come and get you. And you're next. Thanks for joining us, everybody.
See you next time.
See you next time. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to support us being able to make more family-friendly and kids yoga videos, please consider donating. You can donate through my website, yogawithashton.com/donate. Also, you can help support the channel by sharing this video, giving us a like, or subscribing on our YouTube channel, Happy Home Yoga. Thanks again.